At Fort Oak, we use our hearth grill as another ingredient. The levels of flavor that enhance ingredients when they're either cooked over the direct flame or fire roasting or in the charcoals or smoking above on a rack that hangs over top almost like a rotisserie just elevates our menu and cooking techniques. These dishes are inspired by Thomas Keller's signature collection by Cangshan cutlery. This is the veal shoulder loin with charcoal eggplant puree, vinegar whipped cream, hearth roasted summer vegetables, and truffle salt. I love the versatility of veal and the way it stands out on menus. It could be something sweet, something savory, something spicy, something salty. Any way you create a veal dish, veal is always the star. It just accompanies everything very well. This is the wood-grilled veal leg sausage with creamy Asiago polenta, mushroom ragu, summer truffles, and fresh parsley. This is our scallop aguachile with cipollini onions, Persian cucumber, fennel fronds, chervil, fresh cilantro, and coriander oil. This dish is a take on the Peruvian classic aguachile. Our approach is to do it a little bit simpler and a little bit more elegant. We use the most local ingredients we can source from some of the best farmers in the United States. This is the hearth grilled Duroc pork chop with black garlic glaze, roasted potatoes, shishito peppers, herb salad, and garlic chips. This is our Australian Wagyu steak with a roasty potato, coal-roasted maitake mushrooms, sugar snap peas, fennel puree, sauce robert, and truffle salt. This truffle salt comes from a single-family farm in Bali with dried summer truffles that smells absolutely incredible. At Fort Oak, we try to innovate and use techniques to continue to push us forward.